Hey guys, this is Josh Sek here, and for today's video guys is we're going to do our unboxing and our review of this video calling smart camera from V380 Pro, or the IM camera. Let's go. Hey guys, this is Josh Sek here, and for today's video guys is we're going to our unboxing and do our initial review of the IM camera from V380 Pro, and this is the video calling smart camera. So let's check guys what's inside the box. So let's open this one. Okay, so we actually have here, this is the charging adapter. So it's this one. And what else we have here, the the manual. So if you have any questions, you can refer to this manual, you guys. And then guys, our smart camera is in here, right? So this one, and it has actually these buttons here that you can actually click when you want to call. And this is particularly guys that it can actually rotate, and you can adjust this one whenever you're using it. And this is the model here, okay, and it is the camera, okay. And I will now try to test this one. I connect the adapter. I'm gonna connect this one, and as you can see guys, it is actually now lighting up. And there it is guys, our camera. So I've actually made a short video on this one, so you can check them out if you want to do the testing, because right now I'm actually using my phone. And I'll just give you the sample video on what it looks like when you're using this camera. Going to tap on video call on the IM cam, and you're good to go. And if you really like about this product guys, you can check on the link in the description box or in our affiliate link there. So guys, what are you waiting for? Check that one. So guys, you have actually seen the example or the sample clip on how to use our IM V380 Pro cameras. And guys, my verdict of this camera, it's really nice. It's especially if your loved one is at home and you just want to connect them easily. This one is really perfect, you guys. And with just an affordable price, you can already get this camera, and you can be in touch with your loved ones remotely without any hassle. Just push of a button or press of a button. So guys, what are you waiting for? Check them out guys. If you're interested, you can just check on the link in the description box, or you can check them in our link here. So if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing to our channel. Once again, this is Josh, and we'll see you guys in our next video.